Hey guys, this is just an example of going over the extra credit assignment that we assigned to you in Desmos. Okay, so every single major summative that we have in the second quarter, we're going to give you an opportunity to get up to 3 points of extra credit. So what we're doing in this extra credit activity is really getting you to think critically. So we're going to be working on word problems. Okay, so this first example is something similar to what you've seen before. The one you're going to get assigned to this week is going to be different, okay, but I wanted to kind of walk you through a problem. Okay, so the first screen in Desmos says the problem. The sum of 3 consecutive integers is 63. What is the value of the largest integer? Okay, the next screen you would go to says the important information. So it wants you to identify whatever important information you have. So you're going to go over to this this text box here, and you're just going to type in that maybe the sum is addition. Okay, so adding 3 numbers together will equal 63. Also note we're looking for the largest number. Okay, we are looking for the largest number. That's going to be important. Okay, that's important. All right, so sum is addition. We're going to add 3 numbers together to get 63, and we're looking for the largest number. So something like that is your important information. Okay, then it's going to ask you the problem strategies that you're going to use. So depending upon the problem, you might want to draw a picture, look for a pattern, work it out, act it out. Maybe you want to create an equation, make a chart. Sometimes maybe you want to guess and check, okay, or do mental math. So we're interested in seeing every possible way, okay. I like to create an equation for this type of problem, so I'm going to create an equation on this, all right. And now we're going to actually work it out. So this is where you're going to actually write on the screen. Okay, it says the sum of 3 consecutive integers is 63. What's the value of the largest integer? So I'm going to, in this workspace, I'm going to let f be my first integer. Okay, and if f is my first, then f plus 1 is going to be my second. Okay, and then f plus 2 is going to be my third. Okay, so I'm working it out. So that means I'm going to take my first, I'm going to add my second, and I'm going to add my third, and I'm going to get 63. So I'll combine my like terms. 3f plus 3 is equal to 63, and then I'm just going to solve for f rather. So I'm going to subtract 3, and I get 3f is 60. And when I divide both sides by 3, I get my first number is 20. Okay, but I'm looking for my largest integer. So my first number is 20, my second number is 21, and my third number is 22. Okay, so I think my answer is 22. So I'm going to circle it here. Okay, I'll put answer, all right, is 22. Right, somehow I need to identify my answer. Okay, on the next screen, it says, I know my answer is correct because, well, in this case, all right, 22 is my answer. And I know it's the correct answer because 20 plus 21 plus 22 is equal to 63. And 22 is the largest number. So I'm going to type that in there. Okay, oops. Spell it right. All right. And then on the next screen, it says, write the answer in a complete sentence. The answer is 22. Okay? All right. And then my next one would be the rubric. So you're not going to worry about this. We're going to look at this, and if we decided you did collect important information, you'll get a point. And you got your strategy. You worked out the problem, you showed the steps, including the computation. You explained that why the answer is correct in an accurate and reasonable way, and the answer is indeed correct. So you can get up to 10 points on the rubric, but for extra credit points, if you score 9 to 10 points, you get 3 points of extra credit. 5 to 8 points, you get 2 points of extra credit, and 1 to 4 points, you're going to get 1 point of extra credit. Okay? It's important to note that this is optional and it is due the same time the test is due, which means the day after you take the test at midnight. Okay? So please make sure you give this extra credit opportunity a chance. Thanks, guys. Bye.